and then non-hygiene, no problem. But cannot make things just like that. This is one of the benefit. And number two, dilemma is the one implant side, so trying to make little compensate between teeth. Like I said, make 1 millimeter minimum thickness will going to the thinnest possible here. Yeah, that's good. But remember, we have to make the modify ridge or convex for both type, just a little compensate as well here, slightly out. I'm talking about top up area, yes. Right. It's not under this Pontic, so whenever tongue using that patient is a little comfortable. It's not too much changing. Anyway, the full mouse 7-star case is coming up. Basically, yep, same thing. So out is a little bit make the better. After design, so you see the really detail. Special Pontics we design well. Mill from H1 T5. See this I like here. Set up here. Right, now it's ready to cut. So it's a 7-star case. So full contour of the wax up, which is the patient's happy about that. And then we cut it back to 2 millimeter. And then I like the margin line and little diminish too. We're trying to decrease as much as possible the gum line, side view. And you can just little diminish those margin area, smoother. Alright, then underneath Pontic, as thin as possible compared to this. Okay, so this is 7-star, so which is great for this lower as a huge long span those area and sticking out the implants, which is we just talking about. So we make the better the underneath the fingers. We just add a little bit here. All right. Yes, just like I said, we bring it in. This is the temp. This is our frame. This is the middle. Okay. Side view. Turn. The other side. Same thing too. We're going to cut it. I like the really good design. Strength. All right, cool. This is another beauty. A different direction, angle, and then the big Pontic cantilever, and all just makes really thin. That's why. That's the frame design goal. Compared to we have the back fine. See how much is grinding. After we reduce it, the proper contour and the underneath tissue, we're going to add with the porcelain. It makes beautiful restorations about the Titan 7-star cases coming. You saw the old design, this is the final look like. And they're absolutely together. And we can change it quite a bit from the wax design. Alright. so this one after this meal, they cut it and they prepare the incisor and also dentin. It's basically B1 basis. Some of them monolithic, some of them layer. So now I'm going to add together with the BND liquid. Alright, so now I'll put the incisor and drop it. So which is the part. So you can see the time frame line. Now I can take it out. About less than 1 minute. And you can get a full dentin, which is great. Alright, so I have to took it out from the mother. Here's one single. So make a great emergence profile compared to the patient has. From the wax try-ins, we make the really great aesthetic for that. Okay, so another finished Citon 7 stars final singles. It's like that. Beautifully done. Alright. 30 unit bridge. Single. Love the integrity, the Jingjiba. And this is the only 4 implant. I made this really good aesthetic as much as possible. I was coming up the case after we cement. Profile in between the tooth, right? So made the individual tooth, which is great. Citon 7 stars, a 4 implant. This is why dentists choosing the Citon 7 star cases. Not only that, it looks like teeth. Looks like from the gum, the tissue contouring. And exceptional hygiene underneath. Then put both. Not only this is almost sealed, so we don't need composite. So just like the glove. So it's aesthetics. You see the more detail. This is another lucky man. Here, now it's ready to cementing. So stay tuned. What is for? Alright, this is its finals with exceptional hygienes. From the wax try-in, and we improved it quite a bit. And then regarding for implant, is very tough traction, long span. Even zirconia cannot make thin like this. Exceptionally hygiene, love it. Right? And the great aesthetics. And patient get the top of the line, the product. Like this. Like this, micro layer, and then finally we cement it. Great fitting. Now it's ready to deliver to Arizona. Now we made a great guard. Alright, this stunning case just finished after we try in the wax, and then we corrected with the better teeth from here. So we make slightly longer and a better contour for the finals, right? So from the basic 4 implant, and then make the tissue model, and the reason why we made the Titan 7-star, which is brilliant choice, because implant site and this long span Pontic, that's really suitable in order to make those super thin like that. Of course, we can make the zirconia make thicker and then non-hygiene, no problem. But cannot make thin just like that. This is one of the benefit. And number two, and there's the tie base. Don't need it. So we mill. You saw the all my video, and then we final finish up from this. Okay, and then make the good guard. Now, so ready to delivery with a passive fit like this. Alright, so thanks for watching all my video. It's really enhanced. It's great color. It's like the recipe. We make the words ours. Passion for over there, which is exceptional hygiene. Alright. conclusions for all manually.